So yeah, today we'll be going through how to trade on boom and crash. But today I'll be teaching everybody how to trade on only boom 300. Boom 300 is very volatile. You understand? What I mean by volatile is this is boom 300. Have you seen the uptrend? The uptrend is not much. It won't be much before the spike occurs. If you read on top of your crash 300, you see on average one drop occurs in the price series every 300 ticks. But if I change to crash 1000, it will see on average one drop occurs in the series every 1000 ticks. Have you seen it now? So you understand that boom and crash 300 is very volatile. So it's only those that know how to trade it can trade it. Okay, so let's go to crash 300. Let me add boom 300 also. Yeah, so this is boom 300. This is how boom 300 is. It will load. Yeah, this is boom 300. This is crash 300. Have you seen? Boom is going down. Okay, boom means the red candlestick is going down. When you see boom, you understand that the red candlestick always go down. It's always a downtrend. But when the spikes start occurring, it will start going up. Okay, so let's see whether I'm getting what I'm saying. Have you seen now? Here, spike occurs very well. That's why it goes a long way up. You understand? Then, have you seen the spike also? So let's go now how to trade them. We're using 1 minute time frame. When you click on your this thing, you see it's 1 minute time frame. So the first thing you have to do is in your chart like this, go to crash or boom 300. Let's start with crash. Click on it for some time and you show chart. Then you click chart. It will show something like this. It will load. When it's done loading, it will show something like this. What you have to do is click this up here. F is indicator. So let's click it and add our indicator. When you click it, your own will appear like this. So what you have to do is click on main chart. When you click on main chart, you go to relative index. Relative strength index. Relative strength index. This is the relative strength index. When you click it, you input these settings. Period 4 apply to close. Then style 3 pixel and white background. Have you seen it? Then levels is 90, 10, 20, 80. Style 1 pixel and the white background again. Screenshot this thing and you can do it your own. After you're done applying it, you then go to diamond chart again. Click here. Go to diamond chart. Search for Ishimoku Kinku Hill. When you see Ishimoku Kinku, you click on it. Then apply these settings. Tekken Sen 1, Kinjun Sen 2, and Sekou Span B 52. This field, don't tick it. Untick it, put it like this. Then Tekken Sen 3 peso black underground. Kisun Sen 2 peso, the same black underground. Up Kumo 1 peso white, down Kumo 1 peso white, and chicken span 2 peso white. Have you seen it now? Set it like this, and there's no level here. Then go back and click on done. When you click on done, click on that same main chart. You see moving average. Click on moving average. You see period, set it to 25. On shift, set it to 0. And method, simple. Method must be simple. And apply to close. Style 3 peso and gold color or whatever you want to. But for the sake of this class, use gold color. Levels, nothing. You click done. the next thing you do is go to that main chart again and click relative index, the same relative index you started earlier. Click it and apply the pillow 10, apply to close 1 peso, and levels, there is no levels here, so you click done and go back. There's something that will show up, something like this. Indicator window 2 will show up on your own. Then click on that indicator window 2 like this. Here you click on this indicator window 2 here. Wait, let me show you what I'm talking about. Here, when you click on it like this here, so it will show up something like this again. You have to search for envelopes. This is envelopes over here. This is envelopes over here. So you search for envelopes and click it and input these settings. Period 0, shift 0, deviation 0.900, method simple, apply to close, upper band 2 peso blue and lower band 2 peso red. Levels are 0. Then click on done. And here you still click on that indicator window 2, this FR again, indicator window 2 window. So go to moving average and apply these settings. Period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style 4 peso, and what? Your background color. This is black, so levels will be the same thing. So after you are done, make sure it's the same setting as mine, and watch out your charts will change like this. Okay, the chart that we just put in is this indicator down here. That's the indicator I just inputted right now. So that's it. This is how it shows. You understand? So let me show you guys how the indicator work. Okay, let me check. Boom, something. This indicator work only on crash 300 and boom 300. Only 300 in this. It doesn't work on crash 500 or boom 500 or crash 1000. It only work on crash and boom 300. So let's go to boom. See what's happening in boom. See how this thing works now. This this line, this black line, we're only catching spikes with this indicator, this strategy. Okay, we only can spike with it. This black line and this gold line, that's our first indicator window. See how it works now. When this black line and this gold line went down here, went down to 20 level. This is 20 level. This is 20 level or 10 level. Have you seen now? When this black line went down to that fence line, 20 level, 10 level. When that black line went down and this gold line also touch it here, that's when we notice that there must be an uptrend. Whenever this thing occurs here, there must be an uptrend. But to confirm our strategy, whenever this black line touches on this red, the indicator window 2 here, whenever this black line touches on this red here, hope you are seeing what I'm showing you. Whenever you touch here, that's when we know that we are confirmed our strategy. Let me show you here. When this gold line here touch this black line on this level, 20 level or 10 level, whenever it touches it and we come down to our indicator window 2 and notice that this black line touch this red line moving average, we will know that we have confirmed our trade. And what we are expecting? We are expecting an uptrend, a spike to start occurring. So let me show you actually this strategy actually works. You see, we missed this thing now. This thing occurs here and also occurs here. And what happened immediately? Is there is an uptrend spike. If we are online, if I'm active, you see the uptrend is still even going. The spike is still even occurring. You see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and even more. More might also come. So you understand. So this is what we call scalping. Scalping means changing your $10 to $50 in 7 days. But main forex trading is holding or putting the trade for like 4 hours time frame, or even one day, or even 1 week, or even 1 month. So that's what actually forex trading is. But this is actually scalping. We are scalping in the market, so we only need to put our time frame on 1 minute time frame, and we need to be always online to watch the trend. Just watch out the trend and know when the trend form, so you put your this thing. So if actually I'm active and I know this trend have formed, I must have immediately see it here. Immediately it formed, see it. Immediately our indicator showed it here. The two indicators show it here. That's immediately it starts spiking. Let me show you that it actually works. Let's find for another place. You see it here also. Here also, the indicator, see it here. Then this black Ichimoku touched this 20 and 10 this thing 20 and 10 line, front line, and this black also touched this red line. What happened immediately? There was a spike. 1, 2, 3. You see it? So let's find another one. You see it here also. It touched here and it touched here and it touched here. What happened? There was a spike. Here also, touched here, there was a spike. Let's look for another place. Touch here, there was a spike. Let's look for, there was a spike also here. There was a spike also here. There was a spike also here. You see it? There was a spike also there. You might say, but we didn't see the green. We didn't see the green line or whatever. Just know that there was a spike there also. You understand? There was a spike here also. Because something like this can't happen. Now it's a spike here, okay? So you spike 1, 2, 3. So this is 1, 2, 3. So let me tell you when to exit. If you have gotten yours, when to exit. So if actually you see there was a spike now on top here. There was a spike right now here. So when this strategy formed, when this thing formed here and here, what you have to do is put your trade immediately. It might form and it will be here. Put the trade immediately. Whenever you count 1, 2, 3 candlestick and these things happen, 1, you'll be on profit. Another one will happen, 2, you'll be on profit. And wait for the third one. Always exit in the third candlestick. 1, 2, 3, you exit. 1, 2, 3, exit. Immediately you got 1, 2, 3 spikes, you exit. Don't wait for the spike to go up, because it might not go up again. It might start coming down. It might start coming down. Okay, it might start coming down. Whenever you got your 1, 2, whenever you got your 1, 2, 3 spikes, just take your profit and leave the market and wait for another formation. Let's go to crash and know whether we are seeing any form. So crash, the same thing apply, but it's opposite. When these two things touches themselves up here, this black touch the blue, this red, this gold and black touch the 90 and 80 front line. There must be a down trend. There must be a down trend. There must be a spike. So here are the spikes. Here are the 1, 2, 3. Take your profit. There is 4 here also, and 5, and it's still going down, still going down. But do what? Take your profit whenever it forms. You can also see it over here. It formed here, and what happened? Boom, it went down, and what? You'll be on very, very big profit. But as a beginner, you have to wait for it to actually form. Let me look for some. So this is how to use this strategy for catching spikes. Catching spikes will actually make a lot of money in Boom and Class 300 Naira. So this is actually how it works. Here you can place a buy option. You can press a buy option of please right train use the lowest lot size depending on your balance. We are using we are in gain already, but this is a demo account. I know that it will go up, it will go a very very up way, because you can see it here. Here is a uptrend, here is downtrend. It's time for it to go up. But you don't need to do the thing I'm doing, so you won't get confused why trading. Okay, so here is what it's all about. Here is what it's all about. So see you guys in the next video. I want to trade other coins also. All right.